Hello and welcome to Elevate HR's Tips and Tricks for Dynamics 365 for Talent. Today we're going to talk about Task Recorder. You can use Task Recorder to document business processes and to create task guides that you can use for documentation and training purposes. To access Task Recorder, click Settings, Task Recorder. Before we start, it's a good idea to make sure that you're on a screen that most users would launch the task guides from. Otherwise, the system will record clicks that users wouldn't need, and the user experience could be disorienting. It's also a good practice to end the task recording on the same screen. Typically, this would be the dashboard. Let's create a new task recording to demonstrate how they work. After you click Create Recording, provide a name and a description for the recording. Click Start to begin recording. At this point, the system will record all the mouse clicks and keyboard presses you perform in Talent. Perform a simple business process. When you're finished, click Stop. You now have the option to save the recording to your PC, save it to Lifecycle Services, export the step-by-step instructions as a Word document, or save as a developer recording. For this demonstration, let's choose Save to this PC. This allows you to specify a location on your PC to create a task recording file that you can play back and share with other users. If you're interested in more advanced options, we're happy to go into more detail in a private demo. After you've saved the file, click Return to Main Menu. Now let's open the task guide and make it easier to understand. Click Edit Recording. You can click Open from this PC, but since we just created it, it's even easier to click Open from Recents. With the task guide selected, click Start to begin editing. You'll now see written instructions that describe actions you took while recording the task guide. Let's edit one of the instructions to make it more general. Click the Edit button. Edit the text and then click OK. When finished, click Done Editing. To save your changes, save the updated recording to your PC. By default, a new file with an incrementing number in the file name will be created. Return to the main menu again. Finally, let's see what we created. Click Play Recording as a Guide. Click Open from Recents, select the task guide, and then click Open Task Guide. Notice the text changes we made are now present. Click Start Task Guide to begin. Click where the task guide instructs you to click. When you've completed all the steps, the task guide will automatically finish. You can now use the text instructions in documentation and share the task recording with others for training. You can also upload the task recording to Lifecycle Services to generate business process models and make use of other advanced scenarios. That concludes our look at Task Recorder. For more information about Task Recorder and Dynamics 365 for Talent, contact Elevate HR for a demo.